Okay, straight into it. Get rid of this little black thing. If it doesn't work, just break it. Just like this, don't worry about it. Next up, figure out how to take your gear stick knob thing off. For the Volvo, all you had to do was push it down real hard and twist to the left. Now choose your mod. You want to spray paint your knob and turn it into a different color? Do that. If you want to buy a whole new one, do that. I don't really care. Next up, change this. The old one was like a little ugly fabric. Turn it into this leather one with a V50 design on it because it looks much better. And guess what? My car's a V50. Now, if you spray painted your old one, just put it back on. That's all it is. If you bought a new one, then get the new one and put that one on. I know I spray painted the old one, but I didn't like it, so I bought a new one. Bought this little blue katana because it looks nice and it suits my car because my car is blue and everything's blue. Now if you didn't break the little black thing, you can just use that to put it back onto the new leather one. If you did break it, then just get a zip tie and tie zip it, zip tie it, whatever you call it. Just put it back on. Try and put it back on. Try your best to put it back on because it has to be tight, otherwise it just slips out while you're driving and you don't want to slip out because then you have to put it back in. Now size does matter because my little zip tie broke, so I had to put a bigger zip tie on just to make it real tight and nice. Now with these aftermarket ones, you want to put a lot of pressure on it. You want to make sure it's really tight because these wiggle around a lot. And this play can be really annoying, especially when you're driving. I had to refit this after, but I can't be asked to show you how I did it. So just trust me for it.
Right, so I'm just gonna screw this in, and I'll just put this above it and put a small zip tie on it from the top just so it's not visible.
Yeah, whatever he said. You can do it that way as well, or you can just do it any way you want. As long as it looks good and it's tight so it doesn't play around, you'll be fine. Now for me, the initial rubber that you put onto the gear stick itself is what caused it to be wiggling around. So I just put a bunch of tape around it just to thicken it, and then put the katana back on it, and then screwed it properly as well. That fixed it completely. Now because the way mine is designed, I'm able to put the zip tie just under it without it being visible, just because that katana has a little whatever you call it on it. But you shouldn't do that. I'm not a professional, but I'll do it professionally way. That doesn't even make sense.
That looks cold though.
Yes it does.
I forgot about that though.
Never mind, you ruined it.
Look at that.
Anyways, here's some professional cinematic shots of it.
Yo, spotted a dime at the corner of my eye. She got enough man on the line, back just poking like a knife. Think she tryna get my line. Demon with the angel eyes. Maybe I'm hypnotized, but why am I thinking twice? Yo, 2-man step, I got my thing on me.
Alright, bye.